road is closed. State police have the Capitol complex all closed off. That's interesting. Never seen that before. I think I'll make another video of that. Let's go up in there and take a look at what's going on. So, all my life, I don't think I've ever seen the Capitol complex. Well, maybe I have. I don't think so. Blocked off to traffic like this. And there's state police stationed all around the Capitol complex. This is the Supreme Court building right here. Let's do a quick little First Amendment audit and see what happens if I walk over here. There's a state police officer over here. Well, and they've got the state capitol all roped off. Here's the public education department. And yeah, the Capitol complex is all roped off. And let's zoom down there a little bit if we can. Oh. And they've got all of Don Diego, or Don Gaspar, I guess, blocked off, and there's heavy state police presence here. And the entire Capitol building, including the Secretary of State's office there, which is directly in front of us, is all blocked off. Now it is a Sunday, but I noticed this on Friday too. This has been going on for a few days, so it's rather interesting. Like, there's another state police right there. Let's take a walk up this way. No trespassing on the state capitol. That's interesting. They got like a RoboCop up here set up. I'm doing some video surveillance of this area. Obviously, maybe there's been some threats or something, who knows. The cops guarding the entrance. Pre-session. Legislative pre-session in progress. Maybe the legislature, the state legislature, maybe they just have something to hide. Maybe they're scared. They must be trying to pass some really nefarious legislation, and they're afraid of what kind of backlash they're going to get. back of the Supreme Court building. South entrance. Interesting looking chair over there. There's a public land office, state land office over there. It's a state land office parking lot. The Supreme Court building. Authorized court personnel only. The old cider press. We got a security camera there, monitoring the area. And there wasn't much of a First Amendment on it, but I guess that I guess you could say they passed if it was. They certainly didn't try to molest me or harass me in any way for filming. And nor should they. All right.